This is only the beginning. Losing is my only fear. Take some time away from my peers. Started working hard for my career. Now it's safe to say a lot of clear, yeah. I'm the rookie of the year. I'm the rookie of the year. I'm the rookie of the year. I'm the rookie.
What's going on, everybody? It's Seth back with another video, and today I'm going to my first ever drift event. Of course, I'm not drifting because I drive front wheel drive Hondas, which suck, but I'm riding with my buddy Ben. Say hi, Ben.
Hello.
And this is his 350Z. This full bolt-on and tuned by Soho Motorsports.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be fun. He's got some really cheap tires in the back that definitely don't even hold under like a little bit of throttle. So it's gonna go around sideways. It's gonna be fun. We're gonna try not to die. Alrighty guys, so we made it to the drift spot, aka this track, and we got some cars pulling up, and yeah, it's gonna be pretty good. I'm gonna show a few that are rolling up right now, and then I'm gonna show you some drifting. I got to ride in that car. Beautiful.
No, it's a stock model M53.
Hey, come back to Twitter fitness.
Yo.
Holy shit! Holy shit!
It's so quiet. With the Z is about to ride in this Fox body. It's gonna be very, very interesting because this guy likes to party. Subscribe to his YouTube channel. Pretty cool. But yeah, these probably about to go party very hard. So I may look like an idiot, but I'm now strapped into a S13 Formula Drift Spec drift car that's got a ProCharge 5.3. It's got a head cam, all that stuff, impact speed, and a ProCharger. And it's got rear mount radiator and all that stuff. So full cage, full everything. First time ever being in a car like this. Waiting on it to cool down, and then we're gonna go for a run. It's gonna be scary but fun. Ben, what do you gotta say?
Yeah, it's gonna be quite the ride.
Ah, yeah.
Going to the moon, bud.
Going to the moon.
Godly turbo noise.
This may be the most beautiful carbon weave I've ever seen in my life. It is like honeycomb carbon. It is so good. Shout out to his A91 Supra, the R33 GTST, and the FD. Right hand, left hand sadly, but it's been a great day so far. So it's Seth from the very far future. Currently just got done working on a video building a drift car series, which you will see very soon, probably within the next week or so. But yeah, I forgot to record an outro for this video, but here it is. I hope you enjoyed, guys. If you did like the video, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for a new drift video and drift build coming soon. Thank you, appreciate it, peace.